A long motherfucking time. I ain't lying. I am not lying. This is the best shit I ever could have thought of. This saving my life. This is saving my life. Yes, God, it is, honey. You know what? The Lord woke me up and sent me this sign. So I went on ahead to Home Depot and got this paint. Because white lives matter. That's fucking white lives matter. White lives. Just white. 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 White, 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 white. Now see, all you niggas, if you want to survive, I'm going to keep saying it. Go white. Just go white. Who you'll live a long time, right? Hold up. Baby, I don't want nothing brown on me. Nothing. Nothing motherfucking brown on motherfucking me. Because no, police ain't going to kill me, goddamn it. Hell no. Help me out if y'all see any nigger spots on me. Let me know so I can get rid of all the niggers. And bring in the white. Who let me get right? Please share this live because I want everybody, all you niggas, I want y'all to know what you got to do now. Go white. You want a McDonald's on their ass. You won't get shot. Shit, like I said, the police ain't gonna kill me. And when big little ass get home, I'm gonna have me a little white fucker walking around. Yes, I am. Woo. All right, let me get this bud. Now look, black families, if you want to survive in this, oh, I see nigger. I see a little bit of nigger. Oh, bitch, I see a lot of nigger. Oh, get rid of the nigger, get rid of the nigger. Nigger be gone, nigger be gone, nigger be gone. All right. Black lives, if you want to survive. Oh, shit. I see some more nigger. Hell no. Got to get rid of all the nigger. All the nigger. Just get all the nigger. Wash the nigger. Paint the nigger.